The free vaccines, medication, treatment, and dental care services alone are well worth the trip and the wait. The First Lady's Pet Social Services Program Lab for All offers a motley array of services from legal, business opportunities, livelihood training, and transport that San Juan City residents couldn't believe. And thank enough, as our Denise Osorio reports.
A one-stop shop for public services was brought to San Juan City earlier today through the Lab for All program led by First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos.
They're all here to support the Lab for All program. That's the public sector. And the private sector, like, wow, the eyeglasses, Go Negosyo, there's so many.
And for local residents like Perla, Danilo, and Joseph, it's been nothing short of a lifeline. 76-year-old Perla Bautista arrived with her 46-year-old daughter to receive free vaccinations.
Malaki po kasi hindi ka makakagastos ng pera. Di ba po? Kasi kung mangangailangan ka pa ng pera para mapa-injection.
39-year-old Danilo Linsangan Jr. has lived with polio since the age of 3. A street dweller with no steady income, he says programs like this are his only hope. At the end of the day, it's all he can count on.
Super malaga. Unang-una sa lahat, pag wala ka pang biling gamot, naghahanap ka, may libre check-up, libreng gamot, di ba? Tapos, may yung ayuda, ganyan. Malaking tulong sa akin to.
Meanwhile, 72-year-old Joseph Purisima came alone. It was his first try of free government healthcare after years of paying bills in private hospitals out of pocket. This time, it didn't cost him a penny.
Malaki kasi lahat libre. Malalaman ko yung sakit ko dito sa Lab for All.
The initiative doesn't just offer free medical care, but a whole range of support, from education and business to legal aid, transport, and more. Also on hand, the Department of Trade and Industry offering business registration and loan programs to help small entrepreneurs get a head start.
On the DTI side, ang gusto kasi ng mahal nating unang ginang is not just to give the free medical assistance, but to give also livelihood at to give negosyo sa ating mga kababayan para at least kompleto yung maibibigay niya sa ating mga kababayan.
San Juan Mayor Francis Zamora called it a true whole-of-government approach, with every department pulling together.
Yes, yung maganda yung whole of government approach kasi nagtutulungan talaga lahat ng department. Pag ito pagsama-samahin, talaga napakaraming nakikinabang. Kaysa pumunta po sila sa iba't ibang departamento, one-stop shop na itong Lab for All natin.
To date, Lab for All has provided 3,300 pre-medical services and 77 dental services nationwide. Denise Osorio for the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.